Assalamualaikum. So today still week 21, second class. So we are going to discuss the answer for the first one, A, present perfect tense. I already give you the answer for B. So for A, action that have finished. So A is to. If you read to, it shows that the action has just finished. Experiences and achievement. Number B is 1. And then let's look at C. Action that happened in the past but have result that affect the present. So C, the answer is 3. So I can't show you how to use the camera because I haven't read the instructions. So it happens in the in the past, but it affect the present, what happening now. And then D is for action that happen at an indefinite time in the past. So you don't know when it happened in the past. So that's for B. And then let's look the answer for C and D. So for action that begins in the past and are still in progress or have happened repeatedly until now. So this one is 3. The explorer has been traveling through the jungle for 10 months. So it happens for a period of time. It haven't finished because of the word for. Still traveling through the jungle for 10 months. And then the last one, C, to emphasize how long action have been in progress for. The answer is 2. Many years, for many years. Okay, let's look at the ABC one. E, how many explorers have been to the North Pole? Nobody is here, they have. Okay, the answer for number 2 is A. They have gone to find new species in the rainforest. Number 3, the answer is B. Got to the top of the mountain. It was almost 60 years ago. Things that already passed. And then number 4, the answer is A. Kate has been studying endangered species for 10 years. And then number 5, the answer is C. Since he was a student. Okay, now F. F, the first one is has become. Remember, this one is participle. Right. Number 2, climate change has caused. The giant panda has been an endangered because of this thing. If there's no 4 years, it might be worse. Right. Number 4, has been drinking. Number 5, has caught 50 kilos because it happens yesterday. It's not continuing. If it's continuing, then it's catching. And then number 6, haven't finished. Alright, so please write in the comment section below how many of you guys get 11 out of 11 for this part. For E5, for F6. Okay, let's continue with the answer for this one. I already give you the answer for the first one, were. Number 2 is sang. Number 3, the answer is many people died. Number 4, 13 countries formed because it already happened in the past. In 1914, the organization has been giving, has been giving. This is action that happened from the past up until now, ever since, because of the word ever since. Biologists have been studying. Iceberg for a long time because of this thing. That's why it becomes present perfect continuous. How they change sea life when an iceberg moves. Recently, scientists have shown that the water in the iceberg, scientists have noticed the way iceberg falls to pieces when they are in warmer water. One of the biggest icebergs broke off from the Ross Ice Shelf in Antarctica in 2000. Alright, so how many of you got 9 out of 9 here? Should be getting all the correct answer. Good job to everyone who got it. Okay, let's look at the answer for the listening part. If you look at this, which of the missing word will not be numbers? Of course, it's 3 and 6. 3 should be something like a color, while 6, it should be something regarding the sense. So it won't be numbers. Okay, average size is 4 to 5. The biggest shark ever found was 3,200 kilo. Great whites are in fact not all white, but mostly gray. Even though the name is white, it's not white. Mostly are gray. A great white shark has got approximately 3,000 teeth. Its fastest speed is 24. And then the last answer is smell. It couldn't see much, it smells. That's the important sense. And then the last one that you did, number of people died in 2008 is just 4, even though they said a large amount of number, but the one who died is only 4. Numbers of different species of shark. Reason why sharks bite to find information. They don't like humans because there's a lot of bones. Approximately 100 million sharks are killed by humans. And then the last one, many sharks are now in danger of extinction, because a lot of sharks has been killed over the year. Each year 100 million. Okay, the two questions that I give, the last one, what do shark eat? Shark likes to eat fat, things that are fat, like fat seals and dolphins. And then how do humans kill shark? There are several ways. The first one, for sports. They do it for sports, sukan. And then another reason, by mistakes. They don't realize it, but they kill the shark. And then by fishermen, maybe they caught the shark without noticing it. So that's another reason. And then the last one, the reason that have been stated in the recording is to make some expensive food. So if you listen carefully, you will listen to these answers. Alright, so for today's class, I want you guys to think about this. You don't have to answer it, just think about this thing. These 3 things. And then let's listen to the exam close up. Listen to this one for a while. Try to answer 1 until 6. Okay, so let's listen. So this is the instruction for today.
Speaking, Unit 3, page 37b. I'm going to describe a situation to you. A school committee is trying to decide what projects its students could do to help protect the environment. Talk together about the different things the students could do and then decide which project would be best.
Alright, so that's the instruction for today. So what I want you guys to do today is to find a pair, find a friend. So there should be two of you to do the task, because you need to discuss, make like a discussion. So this is more or less like what you need to do in your exam, for your speaking exam, where there will be individual reading, looking at the picture and talking about the pictures, and then the second part you need to discuss with your friend to choose the best way to answer one questions. So before that, for C, match the work with 1 to 5 with A to E, then find them in exam task. For example, let me give you an example. Start. What do you usually start for? If you're looking at this, I think if I'm not mistaken, for start, the answer will be this one, a school block. Usually you need to start a school block. That's one of the way to protect the environment. Right. So when discussing with your friends, this is a useful expression that you can use. Shall we start with this? Let's begin. Start by looking at, first of all, to begin with, let's move on to, shall we talk about now? So find your pair. Should be two of you. If you cannot choose, then I'll give names, but I'll give you chance to choose on your own first. Choose your friend, discuss with them, and then try to talk about this. Let me give you an example. For example, you can start by, okay, shall we start with this topic of ways to protect the environment? How can we protect the environment? So the first one asks questions, then the second one will answer. I think maybe we should start writing a blog, and then give reason why, and then after give reason, the second person ask the first person again, what do you think? And then I said, yes, it's a good idea, but I think we should start to do recycling. Okay, and then continue until you finish talking about all the points. So take turns and give reason and idea. So it should be in twos. You can record it in whatever ways that you want, but you need to combine them all. And then only one person have to send the recording to me. Don't have to send, both of you need to send the same thing. Just only one of you to send the recording to me. And then state your name, the pair. Okay, and then the last one, I just want you guys to do A, B, and D, C, D, all of it. This one is just fairly simple. It's just about some vocabulary. Complete the okay, read this thing first and then try to do it. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much, everyone.